This video is going to show you how to make peanut butter balls dipped in chocolate, otherwise known as Buckeyes, that is in my recipe book called Mama's Desserts. First you need a half a cup of margarine and 1.5 cups of peanut butter. Any type of peanut butter, doesn't matter what name brand. Stick it in there. 1.5 cups. Okay, once you got that in there, then you need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 1, 2, then 2 cups of confectioner's sugar. Over here, dump all that in. Okay, then mix it slow so you don't wear it. If you want to know how to make the chocolate dip that you use on the balls, it is in another video on my website, or you can look in my cookbook. It tells you in there. We want to whip this up so it's creamy. Everything's mixed together. Then you just make it into balls and dip in your chocolate. Or you can take this filling that you use for Buckeyes, put it in a pan, flatten it out, cut it in squares, and it's peanut butter fudge. Once you get all your peanut butter balls made, you can dip them in chocolate. Just take it, put it over in the chocolate. I like chocolate all over instead of just making it like a Buckeye where you have one place that doesn't have chocolate on it. I like chocolate on the whole thing. That way it's a nice chocolate covered peanut butter ball, and then you lay it on wax paper so it doesn't stick. Cover them till they're all done. The way I make the chocolate dip is I line a microwave safe bowl with Crisco. Just smear it on real good and then microwave it 30 seconds at a time. Usually a whole bag you can do in 90 seconds, but you got to do 30 seconds, stir it, another 30 seconds, stir it. And I have another video on my YouTube channel that explains exactly how to make the chocolate dip. And that is how you make easy peanut butter balls. Please like and subscribe to my channel and enjoy your peanut butter balls dipped in chocolate.